Understanding the Children's Section, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that you often encounter in libraries, bookstores, and even in some websites, the Children's Section. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn more about this term, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The term, Children's Section, refers to a specific area or part of a place dedicated to children. This can be found in libraries, bookstores, shops, and even on websites. It's designed to cater specifically to the interests and needs of children, often filled with books, toys, clothing, or entertainment that is suitable for young ages. The key point here is that the content is selected with children in mind, making it easier for them to find materials that are appropriate and appealing. The Children's Section is not just a physical space. It's an essential resource for encouraging learning, imagination, and entertainment among children. It offers a variety of materials that can help with language development, cognitive growth, and emotional learning. For parents and educators, it provides a focused area to find resources that can aid in teaching and entertaining children. This section plays a crucial role in making learning accessible and fun for kids, ensuring they have a positive experience with books and other educational materials from a young age. To make the most out of the Children's Section, here are a few tips. Explore a variety of materials. Don't limit yourself to books. Check out games, puzzles, and educational toys that can also provide valuable learning experiences. Ask for recommendations. Librarians, store clerks, and website curators often have great suggestions for age-appropriate and popular materials. Look for award-winning titles. Books and products that have won awards are usually highly regarded and can be a great addition to a child's learning resources. Attend events. Many children's sections in libraries and bookstores host events like story time, workshops, and author visits that can enrich the experience. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and meaning of the Children's Section and how you can use it to enhance a child's learning and enjoyment. Whether you're a parent, educator, or a learner of English, understanding this term can help you navigate spaces that are dedicated to fostering growth and imagination in children. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.